Hello everyone, welcome to Priyanka Rattawa show. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, I have relocated to Malaysia. So in this episode, I'm going to show you what preparations I did for traveling during COVID. First of all, अभी travel करना is not safe. तो अगर जरूरी नहीं है, तो आप traveling avoid करें. Stay at home and be safe. Let's get started. I packed these things. This is a germ key, so that I minimize any contact to surfaces, hand wash, hand sanitizer spray, disinfectant for surfaces, hand sanitizer, wet wipes and tissues, all in a single bag. Next, I packed a bunch of disposable gloves and masks. Some Ziploc bags to hold the trash like used masks and gloves, wipes or tissues. 2 face shields so that I can change. Few snacks for airport, as I guess most of the airport will be closed. Here is my backpack full with essentials. My laptop. I took an empty bottle too so that I can fill after the security. And we are ready to go. We reached the airport 3 hours before the departure, as checking during COVID is very serious, time consuming, and ensure you have all the required documents in hand. Qatar Airways did ask for PCR test results, so make a note of that. Majority of the shops and restaurants, cafes were closed due to COVID. Good, I got some snacks. Though the duty free was opened. It's sad to see an empty airport. Look at it. It's just us. All the seats are empty. The executive lounge at the George Bush International Airport is also closed due to COVID. I am traveling through Qatar Airways to Kuala Lumpur via Doha. The gates are open and see very few people waiting to board. I guess the flight would not be filled completely. तो ये था ह्यूस्टन एयरपोर्ट का नजारा. अब it's time to board. So before traveling, I was worried how are things in airlines during pandemic. That's why I recorded everything I could during my flight. Let's take a tour of Qatar Airways Business class. And food channel है, तो मैं आपको हर एक चीज दिखाऊंगी जो मैंने फ्लाइट में खाया है. Boarding has started. Everybody is wearing masks. They provided face shields and it is mandatory to wear before boarding. I was wearing my own face shield, but they insisted me to wear the one which they provided. Here is my Qsuite. The crew informed that everything has been disinfected, but for my satisfaction, I sprayed everything I could. I would request you to take proper precautions. Spray all the surfaces you think you could touch. This is my Qsuite for journey till Doha, and this is the best business seat in the world, according to me. The tray table is easy to use. Press slightly inside and then pull it fully towards you. And then unfold it. The air hostess were wearing masks, gloves and protective gowns. Really hats off to the frontliners. So we got the a la carte menu. Let's have a look at today's dinner menu. We ordered vegetarian meal and the drinks menu. All the safety instructions were displayed on the screen. I had a saffron KARAK chai before the takeoff. This is family chai time. Usually I don't drink tea, but during this COVID time, I didn't want to drink anything cold. An amenity kit is offered. Let's see what's inside it. The pouch is really cute. This is the face mist, moisturizer, eye shades. I use this at home also. Earplugs, socks, and lip balm. This protective kit is also provided, which has mask, gloves, and sanitizer. Don't forget to sanitize often. Keep your hands clean and stay safe. This is the pajama set and slippers. The armrest has a storage space which contains a water bottle and noise cancelling headphones. Ours is a family Qsuite. It felt like first class. It has a movable panel so that we can talk and see each other. This can transform into a 4-person suite, perfect for families. Cameras are installed outside the plane, which offer excellent outside views. The crew explained about the menu. Now they will serve dinner. And this is the appetizer. After a long time, got a chance to open the mask. Food is all covered and we have chickpea salad with a pakoda. You can see they really put a lot of effort in the meal preparation and presentation. Now the main course. Taking a picture for you guys. So here we have saffron rice with paneer tikka masala and aloo palak. Let's dig in. The saffron rice is really yummy. Now it's time to take some rest. Excellent sleeping amenities are provided. You can ask them to make the bed when you want to sleep. Look at the seat turning into a comfy bed. It feels as if we are sleeping in a queen-size bed in our own bedroom. It's pretty comfortable. It doesn't look like flight, isn't it? Don't remove your masks. Good night. Good morning. I came to lavatory to freshen up. Take a look at it. There are separate lavatories for business class passengers. They are stocked with skincare products, body mist, hand lotion, hand wash. There's a full-size mirror too. I got this toothbrush kit. And here is variety of cookies with saffron karak chai, which has been my favorite. Next comes the breakfast. So we have UTHAPAM and UPMA with sambar and chutney, croissant, butter, cut fruits, granola and yogurt. I miss my breakfast smoothie, so I'm going to start with fruits. Yum! Here is Arushi enjoying her breakfast too. This Qsuite is best if you have a kid because you can see them all the time. Time to land. Let's change the gloves and masks. Now we are landing at Doha's HAMAD International Airport. Wearing a face shield is mandatory, so I am all geared up. After 14 hours of journey, we landed Doha at HAMAD International Airport and we straightaway went to the lounge as the transit was of 3 hours. Let's see what I did at the airport lounge.
We have a flight after 3 hours, so let's proceed to transfers. Welcome to HAMAD International Airport, Doha. We are going straight away to the business class lounge. Here they're gonna verify your boarding pass. At reception, they gave us a walkthrough of the lounge. That's the main lobby. We went to the semi-private family room. Look at them relaxing. You can take a nap too. Very spacious. This is a kids' room. Playroom for recreation. Let's see the restrooms. Wow, automatic doors. Clean and smells so fresh. This is the shower room. You have towels. Very spacious. This is the snacks bar. Let's see what's there. You have hummus, tabbouleh, chickpea salad, quinoa salad, and some non-veg starters. There are lots of sitting areas. You can choose wherever you want to sit. I love this giant chandelier. On the first floor, they serve a 5-star buffet. So let's go and check it out. Veg and non-veg buffets are separate. I got tabbouleh, hummus, PITA, rice and curry. Look at the dessert platter. I can't choose what to eat. We got cheesecakes, mango and blueberry cheesecake. It's delicious. Lounge fun ends here as we need to catch next flight to KL. This is my window Qsuite. The seats are quite wide and comfortable. First thing, let's sanitize everything. This panel holds the seat controls, power outlet, USB ports and the entertainment control. It has the amenity and protective kit. Now I'll open the gloves and sanitize my hands. Once the door is closed, This is your personal space to enjoy complete privacy. Here comes the dinner. We have potato and pomegranate salad with spinach tikkis, bread, passion fruit brulee, it's good. I love the assorted olive oil blends. This is the balsamic vinegar olive oil. Dip the bread in olive oil and eat it. It's sour and spicy as I added some Tabasco to it. But I love these cute bottles, olive oil and Tabasco. This is the main course. Cauliflower with a sauce, rice and kebabs. Everything is just like a 5-star restaurant and I love the presentation. They provide with a burgundy blanket and pillow. Now time to go to bed. Good night. It's early morning and I wanted to have breakfast because it may take a long time at Kuala Lumpur airport for all the formalities to finish and get back to hotel. So better to eat and go so that you don't starve. That's the after meal treat. Godiva chocolates, milk and dark chocolate.
Finally, we landed Kuala Lumpur at 8 am in the morning. Malaysia has very strict rules for immigration. We did our PCR COVID testing in airport itself and then we will be quarantined in hotel for 14 days. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful if you're planning to travel. Please comment and let me know if you have any questions or doubts. I'll be happy to answer. Currently, I'm in quarantine and if you want to know more about quarantine, please follow Akshay Foods on Instagram. I post regular stories on Instagram. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and keep watching. Stay safe, take care and bye-bye.